Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing Carnage from Venom Let Carnage. Alright, so we have our center of our page right here. So we're going to draw a dot and just make a few squiggly lines through here. From here, I want to do a curve. Right, and a curve back. You want to make it down over here. Then do a few squiggly lines. Maybe one going up here. And connect it up. So you kind of have like a Venom or Carnage type thing. Now you want to put your finger mark right across, and then from here I'm going to go make it all the way up here, so it's a pinky space across. Now once you're here, you're going to follow this down, but don't add the squiggles. And when you're here, move down like this and add this curve. Now since it's aligned, put it down here and just add some like bumps for his gum. Now Carnage is different, much different from Venom. And also in a weird way. So for Venom, he has like another gum layer, but for Carnage he does not. And you can add some wonky sharp teeth like so. If I'm going too fast, please pause the video or slow it down. Alright, so we have something like this. Now from here, we're gonna mark a dot over here and here. Connect it, and then just do that. Bam, bam. Over and over again. Now on this tooth, add a small dash, and then here, this will be his jaw. And let's bring it all the way up here. This will be sort of his neck area. Now from this head, we're going to bring it down here. Another one, like this. And then another one. And connect this like this. So this will sort of be like his arm right here. Add these few lines. It doesn't matter if it's messy. After all, he is a symbiote. Add something like this to symbolize the muscle of the back. You're gonna add a line here. And then here, make a curve. And another curve, and from here then just add something like this going here and bring it there. This will be the arm, and from the jaw I'm gonna have something like that. Boom. We have his arm. And then we're gonna need his arm here. Let's add a curve. You gotta add the muscles. Make some like small dashes to show the wrinkles or the veins. Right. Then he has sort of like another arm coming out here. Oops. You can do this in pencil or pen if you're confident. Now this is looking very, very weird. So over here, so we know that this will be his chest. We're gonna have to add like a torso. Add a few lines here and here. Right. Now this is not his entire body. You can add different types of detail, so on. Do kind of like this design, except just one line here. Alright, so we have sort of like the base foundation. We also have the tongue to do and detail it. So let's first do with the tongue. I'm gonna start right here. You can dot if you want. I'm gonna go up, down, a bit up, and then down here. You can make it as long as you want. Let's make it, I think that would be a good size. And then from here, let's make it thin, going up to thick. Let me go through. So we have Carnage's tongue. Now time for the detail. So around the eye, just add like small dashes to show wrinkles. And then also on the outside of his head. Now over here, you want to go like a curve-ish. You can add a lot of dashes. Right here. Now you're gonna have to add quite a lot of dashes over here. You can make it long. This is like sort of like blood. Do the same for the top. And then for the bottom, just add the wrinkles. Now for here, you want to cover like so. All these like edges inside, just cover this up. It can be messy because it shows no wrinkles. Alright, so we have sort of something like this right now. Now, you go back to the eye. Just add some hatches here and there. Yeah, that's starting to look like, oh my god, what's happened to my English? that is starting to look like Carnage. I was about to say Venom. Alright. Now from here, what you want to do is you are going to add some double lines. So like here, here, kind of going through his body. So it looks like veins. And sometimes they can stick out like this. It's like the symbiote. Like let's say, we're gonna have, let's say, a vein coming here. It goes up here. Maybe it just like separates. You don't have to connect. Like you can keep it short. Maybe go some on the head. Alright, so we have like a sort of messy thing right here. Add some hatches if you want for shading. Alright. Now time to make things pretty cool. On the teeth, just like, if you want, color it in so like he doesn't bit down on something. Alright, now we have the tongue to do. So Carnage has a lot of saliva. So we're gonna go, let's say when it goes down, sort of. It's kind of like adding wrinkles. Now if you want to go for the black down here, it will look like saliva, but it's actually over here is blood. And you can like mix it in with like some saliva and blood mixed together. Boom, boom. Make sure it looks believable. And then from here, just like add some saliva. You can add some bumps along. Now, on for the teeth, you just add some like dashes so it looks like when he opens his mouth, all the saliva kept inside is just like finally released. And boom, there you have it. You have Carnage. Now,